When I began exploring these schools, I wasn't looking for just a classroom. I was looking for a launchpad, one that could prepare me for a fast-changing, data-driven global business world. That's exactly what I found at Vivekanand Business School. At VBS, learning isn't confined to lectures. It's immersive, experiential, real. Every course is designed not just to teach, but to transform. We apply theory to real business challenges, collaborate in diverse teams, and develop the mindset that today's organizations expect from future leaders. What truly sets VBS apart is how learning continues beyond the classroom through structured industry exposure and extended internships, allowing us to apply concepts in real corporate environments before our final placements. Today, recruiters don't just want managers, they want professionals to understand analytics, automation, AI, and who bring industry certified skills from day one. That's why VBS integrates globally relevant certifications directly into the PGDM journey, aligned with each specialization. Gen AI Business Analytics, enabling intelligent, data-driven decision making. SHRM certification in HR, building strong foundations in global people practices. Digital marketing and Google certifications in marketing, focusing on real campaign execution and performance analytics. NISM and IIBF certifications in finance, offering industry-recognized credibility in banking and financial services. Lean Six Sigma in operations and supply chain, strengthening process excellence and operational efficiency. Alongside these certifications, we are trained on 10 powerful tools shaping the future of business, including prompt engineering, Microsoft, Copilot, Power BI Desktop, Tableau, Orange Data Mining, Monkey Learn, CyberChef, TDO, and Landmark. From intelligent automation to data visualization, these tools help us think sharper, work smarter, and stand out during our internships, live projects, and interviews. This industry relevance is driven by VBS's industry-powered curriculum, curated by a visionary board of studies, comprising over 30 experts from business, academia, and government. They ensure our syllabus stays agile, practical, and aligned with real-world expectations across every specialization. Exposure at VBS goes beyond borders, giving students a global perspective through international academic experiences and industry interactions, preparing us for careers in an interconnected world. VBS also believes that talent should never be limited by financial constraints, which is why merit-based scholarships support deserving students, including international scholarships for a 3-month academic immersion in Malaysia, covering travel, accommodation, food, and course fees. That's why leading organizations across consulting, analytics, BFSI, FMCG, IT, retail, and e-commerce consistently recruit from Vivekanand Business School year after year, from global consulting and analytics firms like Deloitte, EY, PwC, KPMG, Morgan Stanley, and CRISIL. Top BFSI recruiters such as ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Nomura, and JP Morgan Chase. Here, VBS don't just develop knowledge, they build confidence, critical thinking, ethical judgment, and most importantly, we learn how to lead. This isn't just a PGDM, it's a journey that shapes you into an ethical industrialist, an agile administrator, and a future-ready leader. I'm Lakshya Javergir, a proud student of Vivekanand Business School. If you're serious about building a future-ready career, explore what VBS has to offer.